Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to see you. If you're new, welcome. My name's Quenby. I am a part-time reseller, so I buy things like clothing, shoes, handbags, accessories, and I flip them on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Etsy for profit. It's a part-time gig for me. It's something I totally love and enjoy, and I share all about it here on the channel. Today I'm sharing with you this box. Ta-da! It's a mystery box of items that my older sister, Aaliyah, sent me from New England. And I have a little story. So I think I'll start with the little story about how I manifested this box. And then we will unbox it and see what she sent me. She knows I'm an online reseller. And she said, I think these are brands and stuff that you talk about in your videos. And some Boho stuff in there. I know how much you love Boho stuff, Quenby. I live in Northern California, so I'm a total Boho girl, but I'm originally from the Boston area. I was just back there to visit my family recently. So, the story with this box. I'm sharing this story with you resellers just to remind you that sometimes things in the universe work out exactly how they're meant to. And I'm someone who believes that the energy that you put out there into the world is the energy you attract back to you. So recently I sent my sister Aaliyah a style box, kind of like Stitch Fix, where I put a box together of things that I was hoping she would love, and I surprised her. I didn't even tell her I was going to do it, and I sent it off. And I was a little bit nervous to send the box because these were items I thought were great, but I wasn't sure if she would like them or if they'd fit, so I kind of was a little hesitant to send the box. I almost talked myself out of it because I was like, you're gonna send her all this stuff. What if she doesn't even like it? You know how we can sometimes do that? You have like this beautiful, generous thought, and then some part of your mind comes along and is like, well, maybe no. So anyway, I put the box together. She's got a great style. She looks so great in jeans and kind of linen tops. Beautiful, she looks beautiful. So I sent her some Eileen Fisher tops and a few other things that I hope she loved. And I let it go, and she liked a lot of the stuff in there. And then she emailed me and said, Quenby, someone from church, she's a minister at a church, at a Unitarian Universalist church in Massachusetts, and she's like, someone she works with brought in some clothes for her that they were maybe gonna donate, and she said, I think Quenby will like these more. She said, there might be something in here I might like to keep, or the things that I can sell. So, go out there and be generous. You never know what might come back to you. You give from the generosity of your heart. You let go of the outcome, right? And then sometimes you don't know when, you don't know how, but I think it all does circle around. So thank you to my sister Aaliyah for sending me this box. It's so fun. I love to open mystery boxes. I have an entire mystery unboxing playlist on the channel. It's linked in the description section of this video if you want to check it out. All right, I'm going to try one more time with this downstairs filming, but yes, would you like to look at me from over there? Does it go lower? Or, grr, I bet I could change the legs on the tripod, or I could just do it standing up again. Just do it standing up. I don't know what. Up we go, elevator ride going up. Okay, so I'm gonna open the box, and then I will show you what I see at first. I really love doing that. I love like the first impression of the box. Here we go. I'll put some music on maybe so it's not just like, let's watch Quenby open the box. And I usually am not the best at opening the box. Okay, ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh, you guys. So this is what I see. I love these. Sometimes I'm just as excited about the free shipping supplies. Okay, think about what I was just talking about, and then this is what I see when I open it up. A book, Wake Up Grateful by Christy Nelson, a network for grateful living. The transformative practice of taking nothing for granted. Is this not perfect? This is the exact book I need at this exact time, and that's what I started this video with, my story about being grateful. And what goes around comes around. Awesome! I'll be reading that. And then here is some clothes. There's quite a few things in here. Now these are pants that I sent to her that didn't work out for her in her style box, so she's sending it back. These are new tags. I got them in a Jomar Wholesale box. They're by the brand A New Day, which is a great Target brand. They make the cutest stuff, you guys. Target is always on point style-wise. And these are like some high-waisted mom pants. See how they have those pleatings? And they're like a straight leg with a little roll, but they didn't look the way she didn't like the fit of them. So she's sending them back, which is great. And now let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, this is very, very Boho. Oh my gosh, it's a great brand too. So here's what I see. Some of you will recognize this right away. Look at that. What I would call this is a tiered skirt. And it's kind of ruffly, and it's by the brand Matilda Jane, and it's a women's large. So Matilda Jane is a BOLO brand for kids stuff. Matilda Jane is one of the few brands for kids stuff that I'll pick up knowing that I could sell it for like $15 to $25. It's hard to find kids stuff where you don't have to lot it up to make your price point. You can just sell one item. Matilda Jane makes the cutest kids clothes, tons of bright colors and patterns and ruffles. So like on my title for this one, when I go to list it on eBay or Poshmark, I would put Matilda Jane women's skirt large. I always start that way, name brand, men's, women, or kids, the size, and then what is it? It's a skirt. And then I'm gonna load it with keywords. So I would put skirt, and I'd put midi, M-I-D-I, because I think on most people this would come down mid-calf. Then I would put tiered and ruffled. And I might even put like lag and look or boho in there. Ooh, look at how pretty this is. Oh, this is so romantic. I just love it. It's a lavender purple top. Lavender was a really hot color for 2020, so we'll see if it carries into 2021. This is like an eyelet lace top. It's all eyelet and lace, and the brand is Eddie Bauer. Eddie Bauer is sold at places like sometimes REI. It's kind of like an outdoor wear brand, and it's pretty expensive. The resale on it is okay, but that is so pretty. An all lace and eyelet blouse. Love it. Oh, I see something wide leg here. Oh, very cool. These are very cool. I need to give them a little steam. So this is some style keywords in here I want to make sure you know. So the brand on these is Banana Republic. They're a size 12, which is awesome. I think of 12 as a large or extra large. So I love getting something these size. And these are so trendy right now. So these are wide leg pants, but they're cropped wide leg, and they have what's called a paper bag waist and a belt. So see this attached belt? It's adjustable. It goes around the waist, and almost think of how you're like cinching up a paper bag, like a lunch bag or something. It's called a paper bag waist. So these are just super, super on trend. A really wide leg with a paper bag waist, and they're a high waist. So what I would put for my title for this is Banana Republic Women's Pants 12 XL. And it says here Blake crop. So I'd put Blake crop, and then I would put paper bag waist, high rise, belt, wide leg, and it feels to me like these have some linen in there. Yeah, they're not 52 linen, 52 cotton, so I'd put linen in. So those are some great keywords. Those are really fantastic. I love these. My son Torvald comes along, tries to pop them,
and I'm like, no, I want those for my shipping.
Friends, I want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to the channel. If you turn on that little bell next to the subscribe button, then you get notified when I go live or when a new video comes out. I do a live video every Friday called Reseller Community Night at 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thrift hauls, all that great, fun, fashion, reseller stuff, and we'd love to have you. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on. Thank you. This feels amazing. What is this? Ooh, this is a BOLO. Thank you. This is Bryn Walker. Bryn Walker is a BOLO brand. I'm going to leave the tag up there for a second so you can see the unique spelling. In case you're newer, BOLO, B-O-L-O, stands for be on the lookout for. They're brands or styles that sell for more. And you guys know, see there's all these delicate little buttons, so I'm going to button it up while I'm talking. You know that I talk a lot on the channel about selling boho and selling a specific category of boho called lag and look. Lag and look came out of Europe. It's a layering look. So I always say, think of like the coolest art teacher or something. She would have like wide leg linen pants with a longer linen tunic, maybe another layer on top of that, a big long necklace, boxy tops, pants and skirts, anything you can layer to create this layering look. And this brand, Bryn Walker, is a very expensive brand in that category. And this is a maxi skirt, a long linen maxi skirt. Look at the beautiful buttons on this. Just a really nice detail. Elastic waist. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece. I'll check current comps. I haven't got a Bryn Walker piece in a while to sell, so I'll check current comps and try and pop something up for you. I sell on both eBay and Posh. In my experience, this more mature women's stuff sells better on eBay for me, but I still cross-post. I use Vendu. I have a discount link in my description section if you want to start cross-posting. I also use Prime Lister that has Poshmark sharing and cross-posting. I have tutorials on them both. But it's a great way to grow your business, you guys, if you're cross-posting to more than one platform. Oh, this is great. Still my best-selling brand on eBay, J.Jill. And what makes this piece so amazing is that it's J.Jill and XL. And look at the color. Oh my gosh, why didn't she keep this, I wonder? So this is a women's 100% linen J.Jill top. I love this kind of sea glass blue, really popular with them. This is a button-down long sleeve linen top. Definitely I'll be putting boho in the title and laggin look. I'll be steaming that up and putting it on my mannequin. I've been back to my mannequin, you guys, for a while. I tried flat lay photos. I tried the hanger, and I still use the hanger for some things, just a wooden hanger on a plain white wall. Great way to take pictures. And then I've got back into my mannequin lately again. I just think it's so much better to show the shape of, especially like a dress. So what do you guys do? Let me know in the comments. Do you do mannequin, flat lay, hanger, or something different? I think as long as you have clear, clean photos and people can tell what you're selling and see the details, that's great. But there's so many different ways to do it. This feels like linen too. I'm gonna try these on. Oh, I don't know this brand, but these are amazing. Another, wow. I'll have to look this up. Bean Signature. I've never heard of that. Have you guys? I love learning new brands, and whenever I get a mystery box, I learn new brands, new styles, because I have to look this stuff up. This is similar to the Banana Republic. Very high-waisted with a paper bag waist and a belt. Okay, friends, so I have a little update on this box from my sister. So, of course, I texted her to say, thank you so much. I love everything in the box. And she's like, oh, that's not the box I was talking about. That's just a box that I cleaned out of my own closet. The box with the donations from my friend at church, that one's on its way. So there'll be another box, so we'll get to do another. My sister sent me a boho box unboxing, and she says I'll love the stuff in this other box that's coming even more. So I'll be sure to do another video for you with that stuff. Whoever donated this had a pretty awesome boho, lag and look, hippie style, and this stuff is so great. It's so on point. Thank you to whoever donated this stuff to my sister, and thank you to my sister Aaliyah for sending me this box, and thank you for joining me for another video. Make sure to like the video on the way out, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. All right, I'm going to try one more time with this downstairs filming, but yes, would you like to look at me from over there? Does it go lower? Or, grr, I bet I could change the legs on the tripod, or I could just do it standing up again. Just do it standing up. I don't know what. Up we go, elevator ride going up. Seriously, my mouth is like so dry. I had some coffee and I need more water. I've been doing the gallon of water a day challenge. It's not really a challenge, I'm just doing it. So I gotta move this. And let's do the elevator ride down just a little. There we go. Should I look a little bit over here? Or here? Whatever. Here we go. Wide leg linen pants. So whoever donated this was like, I don't know, I was gonna say something and I don't know what it was. Let me think. What are you grateful for, friends? I named my channel The Grateful Queen because gratitude is such an important practice in my own life. I'm also a part-time psychotherapist. I'm a full-time psychotherapist and a part-time reseller. All right, seriously. I get scissors, boxes, mess of clothes. Yeah, the behind the scenes of the haul is different. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. I'm just making the video, making bloopers, mistakes, and doing the best I can with the videos. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. No. Love it, love it, love, love, love it.